Class C RVs with king beds are rare. They're typically found in larger, longer models. You must note that RV king beds are smaller than regular king beds. Let's talk about some of the 2024 models. First up, the Thor Chatau 25V. Thor Chatau 25V is a versatile and powerful RV, and it is only 26.5 feet long. Inside, you'll find fabric-covered twin beds that can be converted into a full king bed, providing comfortable sleeping arrangements. The next on the list is the Coachman Freelander 29KB, just a bit over 30 feet long with a rear king bed. The 29KB has a gasoline engine and a 5,000-pound towing capacity. Sleeps up to 7 people, so you can bring the whole family along on your next outdoor adventure. Next on my list is the Dynamax Isla 534 deciseconds. The Isla 5 series offers travelers a spacious option with its 35.11 feet dual-slide floor plan. At the heart of this floor plan is a private rear bedroom featuring a king-size bed nestled within the rear slide-out. The next on the 2024 list is Dynamax Europa 31 SS. The exterior dimensions of the Isla 5 series measure 35'11" in length and built on a Super C Freightliner. With robust construction and generous water capacities, this floor plan offers a luxurious RV experience. Next on my list is the JCO Greyhawk XL. Featuring a well-thought-out floor plan, this motorhome is on the longer side with 34.2 feet. One of the standout features of the Greyhawk XL 32U is its spacious rear bedroom, which boasts a king-sized bed. The last 2024 year model on this list is the Integra Esteem 27U. Esteem is one of the very few 30-amp coaches with the option for 2 ACs, and it is around 29'11" feet, with the ability to sleep up to 8 people and 1 king-size bed in the master bedroom. You will have all the comfort you may need. There are discontinued models with the king bed layout out there which you can always find used. Thor Chatau 27R, JCO Greyhawk 27U, Dynamax Isla 536DS, Dynamax Force 34KD. If you want more RV-related articles, visit smallrvlifestyle.com. If you like this video, subscribe now for more.